4 steps to financial breakthrough. Hi, Derek Whittaker from Supernatural Finance. 4 steps is what we've been able to highlight. I worked for many years in law, accounting, financial planning firms, learning all the strategies that were out there in terms of wealth creation, teaching about stock options trading and that sort of thing, branching out on my own, running my own business. But I really didn't get breakthrough results until I started to study the spiritual laws behind wealth and finance that were found and contained in the Bible. I read them, I studied them, I put hours into it, and then I began to apply them and got results that were beyond what I could ever imagine or dreamed of. Things that would open up to me that I never, ever even imagined or saw coming. It was incredible. And what I also found is I wanted to start teaching these principles to my students as well and clients. They started doing so, getting benefits from them. I had reports of incredible miracles happening where, one of my clients had credit card debt to $50,000 canceled by the bank over the phone. I had situations where clients were basically getting healed, pains in their joints. I had even one of my staff members, his face from Bell palsy would shift, and as we applied these spiritual healing principles to them as well. So it just wasn't healing in finances, it was also physical, and it was incredible the results we were getting. My leadership team came to me. They said, Derek, you've got to take people on a journey and show them how this actually works. And so we dove back into those scriptures and reading and studying them for ourselves and came up with 4 simple steps that we identified as stages of financial breakthrough. Would you like to know what they are? The first one is deliverance, and that is related to who you relate to as far as your God and Creator is concerned, and also deliverance from the systems around you in this matrix, this world system. You've got to be free of both in terms of being enslaved to those things which aren't of God and being in relationship with Him and also doing it His way. The second part to deliverance is, of course, wilderness. A lot of people wander through this desert trying to figure out how to get through, how to come into their promised land. And that process has one key component that's really, really important. It's getting rid of the slavery that was required in deliverance so that you are actually free to walk into that freedom, that land of inheritance, and it won't ruin you. And it's so, so important. The third part is, of course, walking into possessing that land, that freedom, that inheritance. That's a powerful one. And we look at the principles and how that occurs and is applied supernaturally, which will be bigger and beyond your dreams. And might I add this, the bigger assignment upon your life, the greater resources required to do it. It's such a huge nugget there. And then finally, the 4th stage is helping others. It's not about just acquiring it all for yourself and you get greedy about it. It's actually to change culture, to help others get into that freedom themselves and walk in it. And when those are applied, powerful transformations beyond your dreams as you walk into the supernatural can occur. I'd like to invite you to this course. It is free. We don't charge for it. There are so many spruikers on the seminar market spruiking this and charging that. We want to give it away because it is freely given to us, so we want to freely give it out to you. And you can do so by just enrolling on our website, supernaturalfinance.com, and pressing the button Courses. That will enroll you for the next course starting soon. I can't wait to see you in the next one when we discover the 4 steps to financial breakthrough.